Welcome back to the channel. My name is Samira. So guys, on today's class I'll be teaching you guys how to cut and sew this beautiful style handkerchief skirt, and I'm making use of 1 yard of this fabric to make this style. And when making this style, you need to fold your fabric into 4 pieces, and that's what I'm folding now for us to start our measurement. So guys, please don't forget to click the subscribe button under my video to subscribe now. You can turn on your notification bell to get notified whenever we upload beautiful tutorials like this. You can comment, share, like, let us know what you think about our tutorial. And please, for you to support my channel, kindly watch my tutorials down to the end. And I'm using 1 yard of this fabric to make this style. And don't forget, we are cutting handkerchief skirt. So when making your own, this is how to go about it. You fold your fabric into 4. And guys, keep on watching to the end so that you can learn how to cut this beautiful style that we are making today. So I've folded the fabric into 4 pieces for us to start our measurement. So I'll go for the length of my skirt. So the length of my skirt is 50 inch. So you just mark 50 inch all through for the length of my skirt. So this is how to go about it when making your own. So don't forget, we are making use of 15 inch for the length of my skirt. So I'll just mark 15 inch all through. So you can see me marking the 15 inch for the length of the skirt all through, guys. Okay, so now after marking, you rule a straight line. All right, so this is how to go about it when making your own. Don't forget, we are cutting handkerchief skirt. We are going to just cut it alone. So guys, keep on watching so that you can learn how to cut and sew it. Watch it please to the end so that you can learn how to make it on your own. So I'm still marking that 15 inch all through. I'm still checking the length. So it's 15 inch, okay, for the length of my skirt. So after that, I'll take the length of the waist measurement. So I'm going by 4 inch for the waist measurement. So you just mark 4 inch round again for the waist measurement. All right, so I'm marking it now. So I'm marking 26. All right, okay, so keep on marking. So after that, you just curve it. That is for the waist measurement. All right, so I'm trying to still check for the length, okay, to see if it's correct. So we are okay now for the length of my skirt, which is 15 inch, guys. You can see that the style is a very simple style. It's not too difficult. Just take the length of your skirt. After that, you take the waist measurement of your skirt. All right, so after doing that, just for you to just cut, you can see how simple it is. So I want you to also make your own after watching this tutorial. All right, so guys, don't forget to click the subscribe button under my video to subscribe. You can give this video a thumbs up so that more audience can see this tutorial and learn from it. You can also watch my other tutorials on my channel so that you can also learn how to cut the other style that you have already made on my channel. So guys, I'm cutting now. Don't forget, we are making handkerchief skirt, so we are just cutting it alone. So after cutting, just for you to take it to the machine to run a stitch on it. You can see how beautiful it is. So I'm trying to show you guys the outcome of our skirt. You can see the shape now, very beautiful. I hope you understood what we did. Now don't forget, we made use of 1 yard of this beautiful fabric to achieve this handkerchief skirt that we are making now. Because you can see how simple it is for you to cut and sew it, guys. Thank you so for watching, guys. All right, can see I'm still showing you how the skirt came out. Very lovely. Thank you for watching. I'll see you again. Please watch my other tutorial now.